Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications. Please like and comment my video. Hello friends, this video has made based on the newspaper ads. Wanted electrician, mechanical diploma holders, production supervisor, computer operators, MIS and accountants for a private limited manufacturing company situated near Shadnagar. goyal4321@gmail.com. Urgently required Tally and MS Excel accounts faculty and academic counselor for National Level Computer Training Institute at Kukatpalli 9912410305. A well experienced and computer literate admin executive male for a reputed firm at ESIC Road, Secunderabad. info@expertsgroup.co.in. Need liaison officer with experience in revenue department 9848012036. Wanted urgent required salesman cum collection executive with two-wheeler license 9440357552. Good looking young dynamic girl wanted for personal secretary post to CMD for reputed group of companies. Salary not constrained. WhatsApp biodata with photos 630-292-80-666. Wanted security guards to work in Twin Cities GBS Security Services Private Limited. Call 756-920-5604. Wanted urgently security officer, ex-serviceman only, and ASO 8 hours duty in Begumpet 9030-776-216. Required ex-servicemen, civilian, operations manager, security officers, assistant security officer for Ramayanpet, Medak district 9100-293-229. Required experienced automized e-commerce dynamic web designer for website development, social media platform, social media and marketing and management, media apps with sound, pictures, graphics, video clips and post hosting issues resolvents. Phone 991223034560. Stenos and typist, stenographer, legal stenographer with a shorthand preferably. Contacts 99122345560. Wanted well experienced faculty for all subjects to teach a KG to PG in offline online. Contact 990-857-4253. Wanted experienced BEd teachers for 6th to 10th SSC, English, Maths, Physics, Telugu and Urdu for high school. 9493709414. High school at Uppal requires Hindi teacher and residential kitchen helper. 9010777734. Wanted experienced teachers fluent in English to teach mathematics for higher classes. 9866114716. Urgently required female telecaller, collection executive for two-wheeler loan collection 9550399244. Wanted marketing teams for a reputed real estate company, males and females who can achieve targets in business. Walk-in AS Estates India Private Limited, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad 9989592408. Wanted for a reputed real estate company, marketing persons for a 50 months installments projects near Shadnagar 9948888182. Wanted sales executive for stone crusher aggregates with experience, own two-wheeler and stay in Hyderabad 9885672828. Garment marketing person with the experience of selling garments part-time, full-time for Banjara Hills 75690672223. Reputed real estate company required dynamic marketing executive and team leader, HMDA Venture Ibrahimpatnam 9676936444. Real estate development company required team leader, senior sales executive, well experienced professional. Adventure2020k@gmail.com. Architectural draftsman and structural diploma with 1 year experience required. Contact 9059 7835554. Wanted assistant architects, interior designers and supervisor with experience must. Qualification be a Bachelor of Architect, Diploma, BIT, DIT, DS and Associates, LB Nagar 7207040780. Wanted interior designers, AutoCAD, Google Sketch up to 3D, Google SketchUp 3D Max, all are F only immediately. 987816005849. Call center. Wanted fresher and experienced candidates for medical billing process night shift. Apply at vision2k.com. A reputed company is seeking to employ the services of a BSc passed candidate with a specialization in BJC. Good salary. ssml.harsh@gmail.com. We looking for a young energetic AutoCAD operator having a minimum experience of 3 to 5 years working in a mechanical industry. KEPL2027@gmail.com. Wanted a 10th class pass lady cook to cook for 2 persons. 9849899000. Driver for house Innova. Minimum 5 years experience training. Timing 8 to 9 morning 9 to night 8. Salary 17,000. 9963699000. Accountant cum administrator for our unit at Mitchell. Graduate. Phone number, mail ID personal.aeppl@gmail.com. Salary CTC 1,80,000. Senior accountant required for manufacturing unit at IDA Bolaram. ICOPL@Lakshmi Saraswati CHEM.com. Mail your resumes. A reputed company is seeking to employ an experienced senior accountant with knowledge of computers. ssml.harsh@gmail.com. Clerks wanted with computer knowledge. Apply to Sagar Petroleum Private Limited, Autonagar, Manasalipuram. sagarpage@gmail.com. Wanted accounts assistant. Experience 5 year, age 30 years. 9989555011. Minimum 2 years, 2 to 5 years experience. Should be able to handle tally, filling, income tax, GST and maintain company accounts. 9849551767. Require accountant for a construction site near Gachipoli. Careers at babukanproperties.com. Immediate appointments. Accounts executive having reasonable knowledge of writing cash account, GST with Windows. Wanted female accountant with 2 to 3 years experience in tally. Looking for senior CA cum CS or CA cum LLB or CA cum CS cum LLB for the 20 years old private limited company with a minimum 5 to 10 years experience. Send resume 2014 NSC PLTD@yahoo.com. 9912234560. Sales girl, a storekeeper at a women's store, Banjara Hills Road number 4. Vijay.sarda02@gmail.com. 8008000707. Marketing agents to sell apartments near Kapra Lake. Wanted marketing executives for app downloading, good income 25,000 and office admin at SD Road. 9030276941. Wanted looking for a young and energetic marketing executives for a mechanical and electronics industry. The incumbent should be a mechanical engineer having minimum 3 years experience from any industry. KEPL2027@gmail.com. Wanted pediatrician, general physician, pulmonologist and diabetologist for running hospital at Tandur, Vikarabad. 834146298928. Marketing managers, lab technicians, phlebotomist, collection agents for a Pragati Healthcare at Road number 12. 9963933348. Wanted marketing executives, NICU nurses, DIAS pharmacist. Call Dr. Nitesh. 9603810556. Wanted required nurses for USA. Requirements 2 years experience in ICU, operation theatre, ortho surgery. Well running 25 beds hospital situated in Nalakunta, Hyderabad needs full-time gynecologist. Hiring for MNC company at high-tech city. Requires senior experience telecalling executive come team lead with exposure in real estate marketing, computer, CRM tools. V9 Star International are inviting applications for the post of store manager, store in charge. MF qualification, graduation and have working experience of at least 3 years in supermarket, preferably in grocery, stationery. 04066623399. Wanted experienced junior accountant, Hyderabad. 733-118-1907. Hiring receptionist, 1 female, 10 to 20,000. Office staff females, computer experience, telecaller, sales managers, etc. 9477760380. TV11 urgently required experienced newsreaders and comes script writers, voice over Telugu, Hindi, English, Urdu languages. Free training for freshers. 81423 2214. Vijay Neha Polymers Private Limited required HR manager, vehicle cum logistic manager, and senior manager, assistant manager for accounts accounts each with at least 5 years relevant experience. HR@vijayneha.com. Well-established company urgently required indoor catering, indoor-outdoor marketing, male-female staff, direct company. 8790432677. A leading manufacturer of thermal installation products requires graduate for sales engineer and stenographer. Openings.hr86@gmail.com. Accountants become experienced in tally, filling of PDDDS, ESI and PF monthly returns is must. constructions@hotmail.com. Urgently required plant in charge, production manager, supervisor for pharma equipment manufacturing unit at GD Metla. alnreddy@yahoo.com. Work from home opportunity, the leading financial institution for all retired bankers. 8247337892. Civil engineers, Archis Group requires senior site engineer. info@archisprojects.com. Junior engineers, civil electrician engineers, electrical engineers, freshers with a BTech diploma, contact Prithvi Aditya Infratech Private Limited. HRD and administrative, wanted office assistant with a computer knowledge and two-wheeler. Email your resume. KHERIAJ@gmail.com. 04023243463 phone number. Private limited company is looking for a senior HR cum legal manager, advocate license with a good experience, should be able to coordinate with the advocates. Personal company, wanted experienced lecturer to teach chemistry, wanted faculty for mathematics, proficient lecturers to teach English, mathematics, physics, statistics, commerce, computer science for BCom, BSc and BCA students. Wanted young dynamic lady hardworking principal for a reputed junior colleges at Medipatnam. Walk-in interview urgent, required female lecturers in computer science, botany, nutrition, accountant. Wanted part-time pediatrician for Shishi Hospital. Anupama Hospitals, Kodpalli urgently requires DMOs, staff nurses or technicians, scrub nurses. Durga Bhavani High School, Malkasgiri required primary teachers and Telugu teachers to teach higher classes. 99591585577. Principal along with teachers at Sanat Nagar. 9490453777. Technical wanted ITI electronic and mechanical fitters experience 2 years. 9901645511. Wanted experienced lady teacher for home tuition to second standard girl students of ICSC, timings 9 am to 11 am at Old Malakpet, Hyderabad. 630-530-9416. Reputed bank hiring retired and VRS bankers at government. Homemakers professionals. 8499847425. Friends, today these are the jobs we received. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.